Good morning, everyone. I am so freaking excited because in just one short week, we are going to be together and putting our vision for 2022 together as one. So it is next Tuesday at 7 o'clock. If you have not grabbed your ticket, go ahead and jump in, get that for free so you too can be a part of such a huge loving group that wants to make sure we all shine together in 2022. So I want to just drop in real quick to say that we can create vision boards with a lot of different materials and a lot of different ways. So the first thing that I want to say is I will be doing a physical vision board. So I personally will be cutting, pasting, taping, gluing, etc. And some of the materials I am bringing are some letters, some numbers, some of my favorite numbers, some vacation spots that I want to go to, magazine pictures, some of my favorite quotes, and I will be reviewing why all those things are so important to me during our class. But feel free to bring whatever you feel like is going to be setting you up to just crush those goals in 2022. So you can also do it digitally, which I know a lot of people say it's easier because they can just look up what they want online and then voila, they post it onto their vision board. I personally like to have it hanging on my wall so I can see it every day. It helps it keep it front of mind for me. And then lastly, I would say that if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the KSB team because we, of course, are more than happy to answer those. And yes, it will be recorded, so we will be sending it out afterwards. But if you do want to get a copy of it, then you must go ahead and jump in there. So go to the link in the bio, jump in there. It is complimentary, it is free. So jump in there and we'll make sure that we get that link out to you. That's all I have for now. Can't wait to see you all next week. I hope that you have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye-bye.